So first, you get the little tubing, and then you heat it.
You get the tubing. You know that we put in no faces. What you do?
Once you heat it, you get the pliers.
Logan.
And you ply them so that way you can seal it.
Good job, bro. I got you.
You put in the wax.
You put this on the string.
You put the washer on first before you put on the wax.
And then get it about like an inch and a half maybe.
And then you put in like half a centimeter of waxing.
A little bit more.
Just a tiny.
Adjust it and then
And then once that's done, you take it back to heating. And then you heat it again.
Who are you talking to? Oh, I'm sorry.
ow!
Yeah, she might be putting it.
No, you gotta put it on your story.
Okay, I will.
Burning me over here.
Apply them again so that way they're sealed.
What?
Bad. I got you.
What you mean? Did you post
And
it?
then you drill the hole in.
That should be fine.
So the hole has to be drilled on both sides. And then once it's drilled in,
And now you clamp it down from top to bottom. You want it the top one in the middle. Yeah. At the top, bottom, and middle.
So-
Well, that's what I do.
then you hook the wire. And you have to make sure that when you put the wire, it goes under the washer for best effectiveness of the WAPI.
That's the whole purpose of testing it.
Maybe clamp it a little harder. Those pliers might be bad too. You can use these. Yeah.
Are these ones that need to be tested?
Okay. So use that and then clamp it right here. Yeah.
And then while
Like
you
really
loop them,
hard.
you put this a little metallic piece so that way
Get
the
it
loop
at the
stays
bottom.
in. And then you ply it so that way the loop won't come
Yeah.
out.
And then you just do the same thing to this end.
And then you repeat it for the other side.
So
Is that the one you put?
Oh, so you do. Okay.
yeah,
Can I use these?
yeah.
I did it.
Who knows the Papa John's menu, like in the back of their head?
Me?
I do.
What you trying to order?
You.
It depends on what you
We're
order.
gonna get 4 pieces.